Welcome to Awon Learning. Today, we will find out whether learning AI tools is worth it or not. AI is everywhere, in your email, your spreadsheets, even in project planning. But should you spend all your time learning AI tools, or focus on your core skills that make you effective today? AI tools can supercharge your work. They automate repetitive tasks, help analyze data faster, and give you insights that can guide smarter decisions. Professionals who understand AI are more efficient, future-ready, and in demand. AI is just a tool. It can't replace your domain knowledge, critical thinking, or decision-making. Skills. Your core expertise ensures that AI's suggestions are interpreted correctly and applied effectively. So, how do you balance both? Here's a simple approach. Start with relevance. Pick AI tools that match your role. Don't select any random AI tools that comes first. Choose wisely based on the functionality. Balance your time. Focus 70% on core skills and 30% on AI experimentation. Apply AI in daily work. Use it to automate repetitive tasks, generate insights, improve efficiency. By doing this, you'll stay effective today while preparing for the AI-driven future. Think of AI as a power tool. It amplifies what you can do, but the quality of the work still depends on your skill. Focus on your core strengths, learn AI strategically, and you'll be ready for the future of work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to receive such informative videos.